In this video, I'll show you how to update your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And do make sure you watch this video right until the end so you know all of the steps in this guide. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. As you can see, I'm now on Facebook, and just a quick note, this guide is going to work regardless if you're on desktop Facebook or if you're on the mobile app. So all you want to do is locate your profile section of Facebook. To do that on desktop, simply go to the top right where your profile picture is and click on that. Otherwise, if you're on a mobile, all you want to do is come to the bottom right to where it says menu. Then all you want to do is locate at the top, see your profile, and then it's going to take us here. So I know a lot of people do find it annoying when it goes and sends out a notification and adds it to your friend's feed if you've updated your profile picture. They find it a bit awkward. So to go and get around that, all you want to do is simply go and click on your profile picture. Then you're going to have these options here. View profile picture, select profile picture, add frame and create avatar. So all you want to do is go and click on select profile picture. So now I'm going to go and select my profile picture and go and upload it. So I just took one off my computer mouse. Then all you want to do is, as you can see, it just says to public, but you can't change it here. And at the bottom you want to untick this, but there's also a further step we can go and take. So all you want to do is go and click save. And it's now setting profile picture, as you can see. Then once it's done that, you want to simply go and refresh your page just like this. Then once you've gone and refreshed it, then all you want to do is go and click on it again, go and click view profile picture. Then you want to go to the top right where we've got these three dots just here. Then you want to go and click on edit privacy or edit privacy. Click here, and then all you want to do is go and click only me. There may be a show more button you need to go and click to go and reveal this only me option, and then you want to go and click done. And then your friends and other people aren't going to be notified that you've gone and changed your profile picture. Of course, they'll see it, but it's not going to be a pop-up saying, Rob has changed their profile picture, for example. So there we go, guys. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.